Today, we are going to determine the gradient and the y-intercept when given the equation of the straight line. To write the equation of the straight line, we are going to use a slope-intercept form, which states y is equal to mx plus c, where m is the slope or the gradient of the straight line, and m is also the coefficient of x. Let us look at c. C is the y-intercept, and c is also a constant. Let us look at a few examples. Determine the gradient and the y-intercept of the following straight lines. Example 1. Y is equal to 3x minus 4. Let us recall that the slope-intercept form is y is equal to mx plus c, where m is the gradient and c is the y-intercept. This equation is in the form y equals to mx plus c. Therefore, 3 is our gradient and negative 4 is our y-intercept. Let us look at another example. 3y is equal to 4x plus 3. This equation is not in the form y is equal to mx plus c because 3 is attached to the y. So we need to make y the subject in order for this equation to be in the slope-intercept form. So to make y the subject, we are going to divide each term by 3. Therefore, our equation of our straight line is y is equal to 4/3 x plus 1. At this point, our equation is in the form y is equal to mx plus c. Our gradient is 4/3 and our y-intercept is 1. Let us look at another example. 2x plus 4y is equal to 8. Let us recall we are using the slope-intercept form where y is equal to mx plus c. This equation is not in the slope-intercept form. So we have to rewrite the equation in the slope-intercept form before we can find our gradient and our c. To make y the subject, we are going to first subtract 2x from both sides of the equation. This implies that 4y is equal to negative 2x plus 8. To make y the subject, we are going to divide both sides of the equation by 4. Now that we have done that, the equation is now in the form y is equal to mx plus c. Therefore, my gradient is negative 1/2 and my y-intercept is 2. Thank you guys for watching. See you in our next video.